BMW M4 convertible review. Heavy and a little wobbly, the old M3 convertible struggled to show its screaming 4.0 V8 off in the best possible light. Has the switch to turbo power transformed its replacement, the new M4 convertible? BMW M4 give us the good news first. There is some good news about the new BMW M4 convertible. There is plenty. The curb weight is down 40 kilograms compared to the previous model, and the new twin-turbo straight 6 makes 11 bhp, and here is the important bit, 111 lb-ft more torque. The M3 cab often struggled to feel truly rapid, not an affliction that blights this M4 version. And there is got to be some bad news in BMW M4? The new turbo 6-cylinder engine does a good job of disguising the cabrio heft. But there is no getting away from the fact that it is carrying almost 180 kilograms more flab than the coupe. It does not feel quite as savage, or as agile. BMW M4 statistics. The price of BMW M4 is £60,730. Engine is equipped 2979 cubic centimeters 2.4V twin-turbo straight 6, 425 bhp, 5500 till 7300 rpm, 450 lb-ft, 850 till 5500 rpm. Transmission with 7-speed dual clutch, rear-wheel drive. Performance is 4.4 SEC 0 till 62 mph, 155 mph, 31.0 mpg, 213 grams per kilometer CO2. The heavy of BMW M4 is 1790 kilograms and made of steel. The size of BMW M4 is length 4638, width 1825 and height 1386. BMW M4 rating. Handling is good. Performance is good. Usability is excellent. Feel good factor is good.